On the surface, Tasmania's west coast seems to have it all. Stunning views, a reprieve from the daily commute and employment opportunities. But the population is stagnant and the infrastructure is in decay. Major employers in mining and aquaculture want to invest more but are being held back by a critical lack of housing.
They could bring a lot more workers into the community if there was housing there for them.
And it's not just our employees that struggle to find accommodation in the town. It might be people that work at the local pub, the people that work at the local supermarket, the BP service station, the pharmacy.
Despite the demand, very few people are building on the west coast. Higher construction costs and a trade shortage are major obstacles, and the banks are nervous about risk.
To get a bank loan here is very hard, given that the banks don't seem to lend money to mining industry or mining towns.
The West Coast Council is so desperate it's offering financial incentives to get people building, but has had no luck so far.
We'd certainly look at a rate freeze for 3 years.
The housing shortage is also impacting our most vulnerable. Centacare says some victims of domestic violence are having to move away from the West Coast because they can't access suitable accommodation.
They don't have those family and friends supports and they have to move their children to schools. It's really difficult for them.
More than 70 individuals or families are registered on the social housing waitlist in Queenstown, 44 in Zeehan. That demand will ease a little when 9 new homes are built in Zeehan next year.
We're looking at housing locals. This is the point of investing in the regional areas, is that there is demand in those areas.
But it's not a perfect solution.
They're in Zeehan, which is 45 minutes from Queenstown, where the hospital and other health services are.
Housing Minister Michael Ferguson plans to visit the West Coast in the next few months. Liz Gwynn, ABC News.